Got a duplicate. Got another one. Come on. Guaranteed pink diamond. We want it to be higher. Oh no, it's different. It could be a Galaxy Opal. Oh no. Jeff Green's a new one though. We'll take it. That's awesome. Jeff Green, let's go. Okay, I think we have enough to do a couple more. These are fire. Really hoping for that Michael Jordan, guys. Trying to get on that one. I don't expect anything out of these packs. We've already got our money's worth. Just donating at this point. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah, one more. Yeah, that's our last pack. Good luck. No, we got what we deserve. So let's take a look at that pink diamond we got. Oh, we can do one more. Last one puts us down to 0. We got a shake on the last pack. I really hope it's the Galaxy Opal, guys. Good luck, guys. I did it. I got a Galaxy Opal. Klay Thompson, let's go. Come on, baby. We did it. We did it. Oh my God, let's go. Let's go. Galaxy Opal. I did it, guys. We finally, on the last pack of the session of the day, after spending $400,100, weeks of waiting, months of waiting. I waited so long for this. Oh my God, we got him. Klay Thompson, baby. Galaxy Opal. Let's go, baby. We did it. I'm going to celebrate all night long. All night long, we're celebrating all night long. I'm giving everyone gifts. Everyone gets hooked up. I'm hooking everyone up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Klay Thompson, what's he go for? 100,000. I'm not selling him. He's so good. A+ everywhere. Oh my God, we got him, guys. That's the lineup. All right, let's go, baby.